I'm going to show you how much you are going to make with your crypto portfolio investment this cycle. Guys, stick around for this one. This is going to be the most insane one of them all. Why? We are deep into this series now. I'm talking about big money that is putting money into crypto. You may be one of these people. If it sounded interesting, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Welcome back. If you're somewhere here in this video, we're talking Ban K, $250,000, a house. That's practically a house. To $500,000. If you've invested that amount, you are one of two things. You are probably already a millionaire and you're taking some of your money and putting it back in, or you're just straight up high risk. You're just flipping high risk play and you just want to just put the whole lot in and hope to, I don't know, just hope and pray that you get all kind of gains. Whichever one it is, you're here. Let's talk about this. And look, for those that have less money that may be in lower tiers down here, stick around for this, because I believe in the future, this video may be significant to you going forward. Before we go there, take a look at this. Where do you stand right now? Are you a shrimp? Have you invested $1 to $500? Are you new to this space? Welcome in. Are you a octopus? Have you invested $1 to $5,000? I'm just interested to know where you're sitting. Are you a dolphin? Are you a shark? Because we're still dealing with a shark, by the way. You're a flipping shark. You're mad. Crazy, ludicrous. Boom. Let's talk about this. I don't want this to be long, right? But it's a lot of flipping money. How do I even go about this? You can see here, I've added an extra 3 coins to the prior video. If anything, I want to keep this similar to the prior video. I've got the same coins, just, you know, sitting there with these same coins. That's some exclusive stuff. I'll show you that in a second. Some AI stuff. I've got the same coins that I had in the prior video. Maybe a few new ones. I don't know, Sui, about the same. And I just want to kind of touch on, maybe a few different ones. I just want to touch on these coins. Touch on how much you should be having in these, where I would put them. Again, this is not financial advice, so please, you must do your further research before you invest your money. Can't get that before you invest your money. This is big money. This is serious. Like you must be a millionaire to be putting $250,000 to $500,000 in crypto. You must be sitting large. Like, to put that kind of money. Or did you simply just come into the crypto space over the last 6 months, you invested in Pepe £1,000 and bang, you've got 500,000 looking at you, and now you're thinking to yourself, where do I put this? How do I invest it? What sort of coin should I go? Should I be buying some of the blue chips? Should I have more of my money in mid caps and low caps? Or should I just be extreme high risk and keep going for these meme coins? Let's discuss it. And then, you know, touch on the BlackRock as well. If you're new to this series, make sure you check the prior ones, because I discussed what the BlackRock portfolio is about. This is your extra coins that you're going to invest in after you've done the main portfolio, which is here, these 25 coins, the significant amount. My God. I think that if you invest $250,000 to $500,000, you will make at the minimum $9 million. This could go up to $20 million. It could probably go higher, but I need to keep it real and give you something realistic you can take with you on your journey. If you watched my last video, I told you that, and we're talking this column here, 100 to 250K, right? Did I get out too fast? 100 to 250K. I said to you, take $10,000 and throw it into 10 low cap coins. That was $100,000 of your money gone. Essentially, we're going to do the same thing as what I said in this one, if I can remember it, and just double up. I think we should double up. So, for example, your low caps, you've got more money to play with. You've got double the money to play with. Don't put $10,000, put $20,000 in 10 coins. Now, look, let me just hear me out. Just hear me out here, right? The same financial advice. This is how I would do it. This is how I'm doing it. Got to keep it real, so I'm doing it. So, look at this. If you have 20 coins, $20,000, right? And you're going to spread it into 10 coins each. You're spending $200,000 of your $500,000. Again, this is for big players. If you're on the lower end, right, and you've got $250,000, maybe don't do the $20,000. Maybe try the $10,000. Look at the last video. You know, because now we're talking, I want to kind of focus hardly on the higher end. You might have $350,000. You might have $400,000. So, you know, anything between these, you know, you don't go the full amount was what I'm telling you here, just come a bit under. But look, $200,000 investment over 10 low caps. If they were all to 100x, right? If they were all to 100x, you've already made your $20 million right there just in this column alone. We haven't even touched mid caps, we haven't touched blue chip, we haven't touched extreme high risks, we haven't even gone onto your BlackRock portfolio. So you can see why I think this is a realistic target to hit, and that's just spending 200,000 of your 500,000. But let's just keep it real for a second, because all of your, you know, low cap coins that you invest in might not 100x. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe 5 of the coins that you... Oh, let me go on. 5 of the coins that you invest $20,000 in... See, hold on. Where's my... Why is it 0? 5 coins. What's going on? Here we go. 5 coins, and then you invest $20,000 in each. So that's 100,000. Maybe the 5 of the 10 might do something like, I don't know, a 45x. We were hoping for 100x, but it just couldn't get there. But I'll tell you what, it did a 45x. So what do? We take 100,000. No, hold on. Yeah, 100,000. And then you times that by 45. Right there, that is $4.5 million. So it didn't 100x like you hoped the first 5 of the coins, you know, but you still make some good money, 4.5 million. What if none of them 100x? What if you invest $20,000 in all of these, again, because I want to keep it real with you, but none of them 100x? What if another 5, so that's 10 in total, the other 5 that you've invested $20,000 in only do something like a 60x? Just got to keep it real. May never ever 100x. You still make $6 million. Between the $6 million and what did I say in the prior one? The $4.5 million, that's $10.5 million that you can make off of a $200,000 investment should they go to like a 40x or a 60x. I'm going to show you some of these coins in a second. But again, you're still within this bracket range between 9 million and 20 million as to what I think you can make just with your low caps alone. So this is why it's good to have some low caps. Let me touch on the blue chips. How much do you invest? I can't remember what I said. I think I said put 8,000, between 7 and 8,000 each blue chip. I don't even think I've got any blue chips here. These are all like mid caps and stuff. But you know, Cardanos, your XRPs, you can throw $10,000 at these. You got so much damn money, you can probably throw $10,000 to $12,000 in these if you wanted to. Yeah. So I'm saying have 5 of them. If you put $12,000 in 5 of your blue chips, let's just do this. 12 times 5. Look at this. $60,000. We're spending money, guys. We're spending big money. $60,000 plus the $200,000 of the low caps. That's $260,000 gone. If you're in the lower tier, you're doing half of this. $7,000. $12,000 in each blue chip. You know, so $12,000 in XRP, $12,000 in Ethereum, something like this. $12,000 in Cardano, ones that you feel can 10x. $12,000 turns to, what does it turn to if it 10x's? $120,000. Is that right? Oh, that's me editing. Sorry, more than that. $12,000 into 5 coins. You're investing $60,000. Should it 10x all 5, which I believe they can, you're making $600,000, right? So like your Cardano does a 10x, your Polygon 10x's, your Polkadot 10x's, your Avalanche, you can see it on the left, right? Uniswap 10x's, whatever blue chip you want to go for. Chainlink, Cosmos, is it there? Cosmos Hub, Atom, you know, because for me, I always say, if you're new, blue chip is considered $1 billion in market cap or above. This is a 2.7 billion. If we want to go right down, where does a billion start? Billion starts about here, look, Frax. So anything from Frax and above would be considered a blue chip. There are actually coins down here, like the Sandbox, that I consider a blue chip, but they've just been so oversold that they just slid under a billion in market cap. But they're going to go back up there, you best believe. Take the opportunity while they're considered mid cap. So there's your 5. Let me just have a look now. Mid caps. I can't remember what I said on mid caps. I think I was telling you to go. Did I say 10,000 again? Or 8,000? Look, I would take 15,000. Do we have enough money? Let me just see this. So we've already spent 260,000. Right, hold on. 15,000. Do we have enough money? Times it by 8. How much money are we playing with? 120,000. I need to do the math because I want to make sure I'm not overspending here. 120,000. That's 15,000. Putting 15,000 into 8 different coins. 120,000 plus the 200,000, because I said 20,000 in 10 low caps equals that, plus and I said, what did I say? 12,000, 60,000 plus 60,000, because I said 12,000 in 5 coins. You're spending £380,000 or dollars, sorry, of your money, of the bulk of your money. Again, if you're on the lower end, you divide that by 2, the half amount, 190,000 of the 250,000. You're spending $380,000. It's a huge chunk of your money into your blue chip, low cap, mid cap, right here, and I think that's a great investment. So, going back on this, did I say 15,000 in mid caps? Let's have a look at some examples of mid caps. I've shown you already. So Optimism was one of them. GMX is a fine example of a great mid cap that could 50x your money. I said it before, check it again. When people start trading because the market's getting hot, everybody wants to trade and do these leverage trading. They're going to come to GMX because when they realize something like a Bybit can't let them in their area, they're going to be pissed off and want to do it. Peppy is a fine example that could still 50x on your face and make you crazy gains. Should we use Peppy? Sui, let's use Sui as an example. If Sui was to 50x, look at this, $452 million market cap. Look, $15,000, you've got serious money to play with. Gives you 21,687 Sui. Just stutter. If it does a 50x, remember 380,000. I don't know why I'm telling you. You can't tell me back. I'll remember it. If it does a 50x, the market cap goes to a 22 billion market cap for Sui. I see this happening. Big partnerships, big names behind the actual project itself. This is we could see fantastic games come to Sui. You've got the founders who are founders of Libra, which is part of Facebook's, is it DM? Well, that coin, before, people behind that dealing with Sui. This could probably, with the marketing done right, go to a 22 billion should it gain attention. I'm seeing great NFTs over there, phenomenal games. You've seen my videos. If you haven't seen them, check them out. All the stuff on Sui. I see this doing really, really well in the future. 22 billion market cap, 0.69. I'm just trying to see if it's realistic here. Times this by 50, the price would be a $34 price for Sui, and that's at a 22 billion market cap. Can you see that? Time will tell. Again, I can't promise that they're all going to do this, but if all 8 coins that you've invested $15,000 each, let me just do this again, $15,000 times 8. If they were all to do a 50x, you times your funds right there by 50, that's $6 million. So the 10.4 million plus the 6 million puts it at a 16.4 million or $16.5 million investment. It's sitting between this. You're going to be, if you're not already, you're going to be a multi-millionaire. If you've invested anything from $250,000 to $500,000, again, I'm going on the higher end, $500,000, that's a serious amount of money. And once you've stacked up the bulk of your portfolio, which is the 25 coins, and you've got that good amount into it, like I said, $380,000, then we look at the BlackRock portfolio. Let me just show you some examples of low caps that I would put $20,000 in. Just again, for an example, in the past, decentralized social, low cap. You can see here anything under 100 million is considered a low cap. I think these are your 100x plays. Like I said, if they 60x, fine. You're still going to net profit that 4.5 million or the 6 million should they 100x. Sorry, should they 40x, 45x or 60x, right? So that's what you getting them is great. Layer AI, should this do like a 45x? so you bag 4.5 million. I'm just saying. In my math to show you, times this by 45, it goes to a 248 million market cap. I can see that for Layer AI. One thing I want to do real quick, if you're doing 20,000 over 10 coins each, so 20,000 in each, the 200,000, what if the whole lot, none of them 100x? What if they only do a 45x? How much are you making? You're still making $9 million. So at the worst case, none of your low caps, 100x, but they do a 45x, your $500,000, your $200,000 of your 500,000 that you've invested still goes to 9 million. If your low is just 45x. I see Layer AI doing a 45x. I see Deso doing a 45x. I see High Street doing a 45x. I see ETHEREUM doing a 45x. I think they're going to 100x, but keeping it real, if that's all it does, fine. If Phantasma Soul only does a 45x and this market cap right here, and, it never ever goes back to all-time high, by the way, which was sitting about $3.96. Nah, that's about right. Because look, 10 cents times 10 is $1. So if $4 was its all-time high, it's a 40x-ish. If it just goes above its all-time high, fine. 45x, happy with that. If it's going to net profit you anything from 4 million to 9 million, you should be happy with that. I would, and I'm pretty sure a lot of the people that are watching would be happy as well. I'm making sure you can see me. I believe my neighbor Alice can do a 45 to a 60x. And again, I'm talking on the lowest, trying to keep it super realistic, the lowest outcome, using the same coins as before. You choose whichever coins you want, right? I'm just giving you examples. I believe OVR can 40 to 50x, 60x. But I'm seeing 100x's. When I look at these, from all the research that I've done, I'm seeing 100x. I believe Star Atlas can 100x. I believe... what's it called? Let me see this. Look, Dogechain can 100x. I believe Rejuve. You're thinking, how did I know it's coming? Because I see it here, let him writing. I believe it can 100x. And I believe Cryptopolis, which is a micro cap, could probably 1000x. But again, these are things that you have to decide where you want to put your money. When you've got $500,000 to play with, you could probably throw $5,000 or $6,000 into an extreme high risk play like your Realms, like your Cryptopolis, like your Stellar Swap, like your Co-Rights. You could throw it into these types of coins. And just to give new people that are watching this right now examples of what I mean, these micro caps, Co-Right, hold on. These micro caps are extremely high risk, but they're high rewarding should they do well. Market cap $837. I don't think this trading volume is correct. Let me just come over to coin market cap and see if it is correct. Let's have a look at what Co-Right's doing. And this is your music play. If you're into music, this is your music play, which could potentially do really well. So it's saying, oh yeah, that is. So that's crap attention, really. The volume is really bad. But something like this, again, high risk, high reward, 834k. Should it do well? Should music become a hype in the crypto space, which I believe it will? This is where you start to see things pick up. Another way to look at it is, do you want to get into coins where there's so much volume, so much people trying to buy it, rush and get it? Or do you want to do it before that? Because that's what I tend to do. I try to get in coins whilst no one's thinking about it, whilst no one's talking about it, but there's still a chance that it could do well. So, whether it's Co-Right, Stellar Swap, Beam Swap, Glint and Beam Swap are the same thing, isn't it? Beam Swap. Whatever it is, these are the micro caps that are going to be high risk, high reward plays because they are just so tiny. They don't even have 1 million in supply, in market cap, sorry. They're really, really tiny. And, you're looking at them with an open mind of, okay, look, crap volume, crap whatever it is it going to 10x? Is it going to 100x? Is it going to 1000x? If it does, what kind of gains am I making? What am I going to lose if it just goes to zero? Because it could go to zero. And those are the things you need to decide. I don't even know if we can even, because I've changed that. I said 100 million to 5 million now, I would consider low cap. 5 million or less, we could probably call it a micro cap, unless I do 2 million or less. This is 1.8 million, so maybe 2 million or less, we should consider it. It's hard to decide what you consider micro cap. 2 million or less could be considered microcap. Realm, look at this. You can see it's got 158,000 volume. Metaverse play, if it does well, great. You're going to make $1,000. So you're going to make 1,000 times your money back. We actually calculated it more. You make 1,400 times your money back when this goes back to all-time high, which was sitting about $3. I'm sure $2. I can't remember what it was. It was a while ago since I looked into it. But yeah, these are the plays that I would do over there, right? For my, $6,000 at the max for two of my extreme high risk, because you got money to play with. You just spent $380,000. If I add an extra 12,000, because if I said put 6,000 in two, you spent $392,000, right? That's how much you've spent. Now, you've got your BlackRock. You still got, what have you got? You've got 108,000 left over. You've got 108,000 to play with because, you know, you got 392 take away 500,000 is 108,000, right? This is a lot of money. Some people would wish to have just that alone as a portfolio. And you've got so much flipping money, you can now use your BlackRock portfolio to guarantee you these funds here of 9 million to 20 million. Drop that like if you're still here, it's mad. I'm just laughing because it's just mad. You could probably take another 10,000 and put it in each of your blue chips. Take 10,000, grab another 2 blue chips. Why not? You know, because you got 108,000 to play with. Grab yourself some more Avalanche or whatever it is. Whatever you want. I don't know. Whatever you like. Cosmos, Filecoin, you know, Aptos, Arbitrum. Grab what you want. Grab another 10,000 in each. Then you still got 80,000. You got 88,000 left to play with. My God. Take away 20,000. You better just sit with me with this because I tell you, there's just too much to talk about. You got 88,000 left. Let me look at this because what'd you do with it all? You can take, you got 5 over there, 5 over there, because, you know, 10x on your blue chips, cool, you know it's secure. Take 7,000. Just bag up some more low caps. Why not? Actually, no, take 8,000. This is how I would do it. Take 8,000, times it by what? How many more low caps? By 5. Times that by 5. What are we dealing with? Hold on. No, take 10,000 and then pull it into 5 more low caps. Take 50 more thousand and throw them into your low caps. This is your BlackRock portfolio. You've already got your solid portfolio. You're now going to bring some more, fill it in. You're going to take another 10,000 and put 10,000 there, 10,000 there, 10,000 there. 10. That's mad. You're moving like an absolute boss, like a shark. You're moving like a shark. This one right here. It's okay. Okay, so I can't help it. You're moving like an absolute boss when you've got this kind of money to play with. I've already showed you examples. Can I go through more? I can't even think of them. There's so many good projects. I don't know. Render would be considered a mid cap, so I'm going to touch on Render in a second. XCAD, another low cap. What else we got here? Stratos, again, just ones that I'm pointing out. Morpheus Network, Artificial Liquid Intelligence, ones that I might not have touched. Clintex, Victoria VR. There's many. Drop the comments down below if I haven't said it yet. You know, what else? Immutable X is another great mid cap. So I'm talking about low caps, right? If these low caps, for some crazy reason, do another 60x, and you've invested 50,000, times that by 60x, you're looking at another 3 million. So what you on? You was on 16 million. Plus the extra 3, that's 19 million. Again, you're not far off from this $9 to $20 million profit that you're going to make. And I haven't even touched on the profits that you could earn from your mid caps. Like I said, things like your, where's it gone? Things like Seek VR, Immutable X. These are fantastic investments to get in for mid caps. Let me see what else there is. I'm just having a quick look. I've already touched on Sui. MOVR, Moonbeam, you know. These are mid-caps that you should have. Matter of fact, Moonbeam should be one of your solid investments in this part here of the mid-cap. So of the 8 that I said, put Moonbeam in there. That's what I think. Zilliqa, you know, another mid-cap. There's just so many. You could be sitting there all day long. A low cap here of the 5. Why not, you know, touch on Zen? Because if Zen performs well, that's a nice low cap that can set you up 100x. And there is another one, right? And patrons, you've seen it. It's a stealth buy. I've touched it to you guys before. I'm not going to touch it in this video, but there's a stealth buy, very popular coin. Many people are going to make great money from it. That's another one to go in that could 100x, maybe if not 500x, something like that. But and you're thinking, really? This guy just speaks these coins like he just knows that he thinks they're going to 100x. Listen, if you've been on my channel, if you've been around for however long, hold on, that's my secret one. You know, Patreon's got early access. I'm not even on it. Let's just go to cryptogains. If you've been on my channel, or if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know, you've seen the things that I've shown you. You've seen coins that have 100x, 500x, 1000x. You've seen when I've called these coins. Again, just as an example, 5 memes. You know, I called Shiba Inu way before it even had its insane explosion. Is this the same thing? Let's just touch on this real quick. I wonder if it shows. I wonder if it'll pop up. Hello, everyone. Whoa, I was excited there. What was I calling in this video? Moonrat. That one failed. Shiba Inu. Here we go. So, you know, when you look at the prices of when I was calling it, though. Oh, here we go. Shiba. Hold on. Shiba. Show me the price. Show me the date. Does it say when I made this video? I made this video, it says 2 years ago, on the 27th of April, 2021. Right? 27th of April, 2021. So when I say 100x, 200x, 500x, because I've seen it before. I've showed you polygons and everything else. Let me just touch on Shiba real quick. I said the 27th of April, 2021. Where was Shiba on the 27th of April, 2021? Was it before the spikes? Because, you know, it had two massive pumps, right? Let's just, come on, this is slow. Why is it slow? Oh, hold on. My bloody battery's dying, that's why. Am I still here? Can you still hear me? Hopefully I haven't gone all funny and blurry and stuff. I want to do this quick, but I want to show you examples of why when I say 100x, 200, 300x, it's because I've seen it before, and I see how to get coins like this, or at least I believe so, ones that can make us crazy gains. It had two spikes, boom, and then a tiny one here, boom. But that was large. If you move back, that was large. 27th of April, look, this is May. Look, even that small little spike there, just after that. So look, if I zoom this right back before the first spike, see, that's that smaller spike. Look, right here, look, in the depths of this, 27th of April was right there before the first spike. Zoom, came down, you know what I mean? People were like hyped, and then you saw second spike right there, boom. See, so I'm showing you coins early, ones that I think can do well. Oh, keep going over there. Let me just go back to this. I've got so many bloody things you're seeing exclusively right now, because I've got my little private account, and your patrons get to see some exclusive stuff. I upload it over there. Anyway, you've just got so much money, and you can really make something between 9 to 20 million. That's what I am realistically thinking you're going to do. And this would be a total of, I didn't even do this. What was this? 10, 12, 13 coins there, plus the 25. It's a total of 38 coins. You're going to have a total of 38 coins. But your main portfolio would be this line here. So you've got 25 here. Once you've done your 25, your BlackRock will add it all to an amount of 38 coins. It's a lot of coins. You're really diverse. And that's good. That's what you want. You want to be diverse because you don't want to miss out on opportunities. But don't, if you've got 500,000, don't just go put 100, don't put 1,000 in 500 different coins. You don't need to have a portfolio that says 500. That's too diverse. But 38, spreading 500,000 across 38 tokens, I think that's cool. Drop your comments. Let me know what you think. Do you think that's good or bad? You let me know. How much money have you got? No, not how much money have you got. How much? Well, yeah. What band are you in? Tell me by the band. So I don't know the exact amount, but we get a good insight as to where people are right now on their journey. I think you're all going to do extremely well. You're all going to make really good money this year and the following year and the one after. And I think that you're all going to stick around long term, because when you do make crazy money from the coins that I'm showing you, you're going to want to know what's going to happen next. And I'm just going to keep sharing this helpful videos, helpful content. So guys, I'm going to leave it here. If this was helpful to you, this video, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Are you a shark? Are you a whale? Because the next one is a whale. We are dealing with big money on the next one. Like just stupid, crazy money. It's just stupid, dumb. It's like, I have to call it stupid, dumb money. If you invest in $1 million, you're just, again, English just disappears. You just got new words. So if you like to drop that like, give me a subscribe, become a Patreon. Patrons may be enticed to buy some coins that I've been talking about in this video, because now they're seeing it before everyone else. If you don't want to miss that opportunity, become a patron. I've got 7 tiers. Take your pick. You're seeing exclusive stuff. Hopefully you've already seen that video. Let me find it. Fan page. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier. It unlocks all my posts. You can see when I'm buying, selling, staking the lot. If you can afford it, I've got a next tier above. Is this it? Super alerts. My CEO tier. Click the link in my info section on all my videos. It takes you to this Patreon. Come over, get involved, because you're going to deal with other big players in this space that know how to make money. They're sharing helpful content. They're sharing helpful videos, helpful, projects that they think that can do well and stuff. So come over here, check them out. They do know how to make money. So when they share stuff, I shut up and I listen. I pay attention. You can do so too. The link is in the info section. Click it. Come over. But thank you for watching. My words. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.